And he is very clear about himself. We don't have any preparation to speak. Whatever the things that he is following in his daily life, that is the one he is speaking. There's nothing much. The integrity, the human values that he has possessed, is just elaborating those things. That's it. So that's the power of public speaking. When your head is high and the mind is clear, you don't have to fear for nothing. You don't have to fear for anything. And it's absolutely foolishness to fear when you can't avoid certain situations. Like for example, suppose if you are taking some role, some speech slot, you got no option but you have to give your speech. But many times what we do is that we think into these situations, we mar ourselves by thinking in some other way. Here we've got two options. Either you have to face it or lose it. Again, when you lose it, consider that as an opportunity. You don't get these kind of opportunities anywhere outside. Only Toastmasters. So, when your turn comes, absolutely you have to speak. So through these opportunities, I'm sure these things will go on you for a period of time. And not just that, there are some people who will help you when you fail here. So consider these opportunities to move ahead. And the second thing that I wanted to speak to you about is the YLP, the Youth Leadership Program. So the benefit of the Youth Leadership Program is a subsidiary of Toastmasters, just for the kids from 7th standard to 8th standard. And it's already 3 sessions have been over. And you can see the energy levels of these kids, the way they do their speeches, the way they write the speeches. And overall, I believe when you spend 2 hours in the YLP session, it is as if spending 3 sessions in the Toastmasters. I've been getting that exposure, and I want everyone to volunteer for this with me. So sometimes I wonder, as we grow older, we slowly become outdated. Now this is a right opportunity for everyone to get involved with, not just with the Toastmaster, but as a famous Japanese author, who is the author of a book called What We Can Learn From the Kids. He says that when you involve the kids, the learning process, you learn 5 times better. So my dear friends, so we have chosen to invest through some of the programs like this Speechcraft, leadership programs, and few other voluntary programs. Rather than turning on each one in times of discomfort. And we have chosen to march, to help him, to meet him, to mentor the members, because of one reason, that we are Toastmasters. And no matter who you are and what you look like, we believe in one thing, that is the community. And we all gather for one reason, that is we are here for a common goal and shared values. More than that, to make the public speaking a worldwide